Okay, so here I have items to make a five-tier wall shelf. So we got the boards, and underneath you can see it has little grooves to sit on top. So we got 5 of these, and then we got the shelf and bracket pieces, and we'll show you how to install them. When we go into the bedroom, we're gonna put them, and then they got little anchors and a little screwdriver if you need it. And it also came with some little instructions to help you know what to do. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is kind of decide where you want the shelf. So we're kind of just moving things around, and we decided we liked it right here. And then we're going to mark one of them, and then we'll have to measure before we do this other one. Okay, now I got my level. We're going to make sure it's level before I finish tightening in the screws. Okay, so we started, and I did this top screw first, and now I'm going to do this bottom one, and I pushed a little indentation in it so I knew where to go, and then I'm going to move it out of the way, and then I can push it in, and then I can screw it in. Okay, so since we got one side in, I just temporarily put the shelf on so we can see where to mark it next so that the shelf will actually fit on correctly. So we'll level it and then mark where we're gonna put the 2 screws, and then we can remove the shelf and do the screws. Okay, so we are going to need to use an anchor because this side is not going to hit a stud. This side did. So we're going to drill this in first, and then we'll put in the screw right after. Okay, so now we got the top one in. We're going to put the shelf at the bottom so we can mark it and know where the next one will be. So depending on where we want to put the shelf, that they'll all still line up. Okay, so we got this one in, and when we did this next shelf, we just moved the shelf over with it and measured that way. And then we're going to move this one over, put it on top again to measure, to know where to put this next one. And then we can finish putting on the shelves and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we finished it all up. It looks really good. It was very easy to install, very simple, and very pretty at the same time. This is in our kids' room, so we're gonna let them decorate it, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you can see how fun it is. You can personalize it, put whatever you want on the shelves, and if you wanted to, you can adjust these, and they're really easy to pop out and move to how you like it. So it's a really fun thing to have in the room. I really, really like it.